Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Ruli as a lecturer of the subject paragraph writing in my class. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Dia Zulfa Pahlevi and my student number is 1242040105. And I'm from class 2E and I'm a student of English Education Department, second grade. In this time, I will do my midterm examination for paragraph writing to explain and share my personal experience to learn with METI in paragraph writing subject with Mr. Ruli. But before that, I want to say sorry to apologize because my chat with METI can't show in my laptop like this. The METI chat can display in my laptop, but I will, like this, sir. The chat with METI can show in my screen on my laptop, but I have to prepare the plan B for explaining my experience with METI by make some PowerPoint to attempt this task. Okay, let's begin. This is me to introduce myself. Okay, in first time I learned with METI with Mr. Ruli that group task that Mr. Ruli asked us to make some group and discuss about some topic, and I get food crisis, and METI give the Mr. Ruli asked us to write the explanation paragraph about food crisis with 4 sentences, and METI describe us a food crisis occurs when there is a shortage or lack of access to nutritious food affecting individual communicated until the end. And Mr. Ruli asked us to find the topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. And the topic is food crisis, and the topic sentence is in the first sentence, in the first paragraph. Food crisis occurs when there's storage or lack of access to nutritious food affecting individual communities or entire nation. And Mr. Ray asked us again to find the subject and predicate each other. For the first sentence, a subject is a food crisis and the predicate is occurs when there is a shortage or lack of access to nutritious food affecting individual communities or entire nation. And for the second sentence, the subject is this, referring to the food crisis. This word is referring to the food crisis. because the topic is food crisis and the subject in last sentence. And Mr. Rowley asks us to explain the clauses in each sentence. There is main clause, subordinate clause, and participle phrase. For the first sentence, main clause is a food crisis occurs, and subordinate clause is when there is a shortage or lack of access to nutritious food. This adverbial clause introduced by when and participle phrase is affecting individual communities or entire nation function as adjective describing the effect of the shortage till the end. So in last week, Mr. Rory explained us about compound sentence and complex sentence. And he asked us to make some essay question to provide compound sentence that we will transform to complex sentence. The sentence is the new policy was announced and it will affect thousands of people. And the meta-I asks us to rewrite the sentence as a complex sentence using a subordinating conjunction to introduce dependent clause. And I learned from meta-I about the difference from compound sentence and complex sentence. Uh, if the compound sentence uh, has four aspect or type for aspect. The first is definition. Compound sentence is sentence that contains two or more independent clauses joined by conjunction, and the structure is independent clause plus conjunction plus independent clause. And the third is conjunction, coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, not, for, so, and yet. For the example is I went to the store and I bought some milk. And or in this sentence is explaining us about the sentence is compound sentence. We move to complex sentence. The definition is complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Clause that cannot stand alone as paired sentence. So the second is the structure, independent clause plus subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause. And the third is subordinating conjunction, words like because, since, after, although, if, unless, and until. For the example of complex sentence is I went to the store because I needed to buy some milk. Because in this sentence is explaining us and show us this sentence is a complex sentence. And we have key difference about compound and complex sentence. Compound sentence have two or more independent clauses, while complex sentence have one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. The second is compound sentence use coordinating conjunction, while complex sentence use subordinating conjunction. And the third is compound sentence express equal or similar idea, while complex sentence explain, ex, express a main idea and one or more supporting ideas. And we discuss about a good paragraph and bad paragraph in last week. And Meta I tell us about the key key elements of a good paragraph is has a topic sentence. The second is subordinating sentence, and the third is coherency, and the third is unity. And a structure of good paragraph is has introduction, body, and conclusion. If and we find about bad paragraph, may I show us about bad paragraph. For the example, I like reading. It's fun. I read book. My friend reads book too. We read together sometimes. Reading is good. Why this paragraph uh, is bad? Because the structure of this paragraph is not like normal, because from reading we discuss about our feeling, and it's not a good paragraph. Look, the good paragraph is has a clear topic sentence, and the second is specific example and details, and the third is transitional word and phrase. In this paragraph is having a good transition word and phrase. And the fourth is parted and descriptive vocabulary. And the fifth is cohesive structure. And Meta I also told us about how to write a good paragraph. For the first step, we must focus on one main idea. Avoid trying to cover too many topics in one paragraph. And the second is use transitional word and phrases. Words like however, in addition, and meanwhile can help connect our sentence. The third is use specific example and evidence. This can help us to make our writing more engaging and convincing. The fourth is edit and revise. Make sure to review our paragraph for clarity, coherency, and grammarly. Nah, uh, the reason I use Meta AI, because I use Meta AI in every lesson that I don't understand, and if I felt confused with one material in it, felt confused with one material in it, and my purpose to use Meta AI is for my understanding, because Meta AI always given a clear explanation and other example. For the example, the prompt I use, I want to learn about narrative paragraph, for the example. The second, what the meaning from expository paragraph, and the third, it make it paragraph for me. And after I send my instruction to Meta AI, he will give me the explanation that I need. And like Mr. Oli said to us in class, inside the class during the study time, uh, he said we need to use AI because our mind need new advice from AI. So it's not cheating, but it's the way to help us more easier to learn some new knowledge. Okay, maybe enough. That's all for me. If you want find any mistake for my speak or my explain my speak or my explain, I say sorry because all my mistake is come from me and all good comes from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.